During the Festival of Light, Rasmalai is a must. Make some paneer by boiling some milk and then adding lemon juice. Stir until curdled and then let it rest for 10 minutes. Drain the curds onto a muslin cloth and let it hang for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once most of the liquid has been drained, take the paneer out onto a chopping board and knead for 10 minutes. Don't skip this step. Then take small amounts of the paneer and roll like so. Make a quick syrup using water, sugar and cardamom powder. Let it come to a boil and then drop the flattened balls in it and cover. Let this boil for about 7 minutes until they've doubled in size. At this point, they already have so much flavor. To make the fragrant milk, empty a packet of Kara UHT coconut milk into a pot, add some water to lighten it a little, add cardamom powder, a pinch of saffron, chopped pistachio, chopped almonds and sugar. Bring it to a boil and then take it off the flame. Add the boiled paneer and let it soak up the milk, preferably in the refrigerator overnight. Serve with a garnish of chopped pistachio and almonds and enjoy.